Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching this video. My name is TeacherAdamNda, a Nigerian chemistry teacher. Even though I also teach physics, as if I have a first degree in physics education, but my major area of specialization is chemistry. I've been teaching chemistry for the past 26 years. For 2 decades now, I've observed one thing, that countries that are doing well in terms of educating their citizens are using native languages as their medium of instruction. In Nigeria here, most students find learning of science difficult, not because not because science is difficult, but because the language teachers are using here in Nigeria to teach them is difficult. I know that technology sure does not replace great teachers. No, rather technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformative. This is why I give it a thought. I worked seriously day and night for God knows how many months, and I was able to package a software. I developed a software that allowed Nigerian students to study in their native languages. In Nigeria here, we have 3 major spoken languages. We have Hausa, we have Yoruba, we have Igbo. Hausa is for northern part of Nigeria. Yoruba is for south part of Nigeria. And Igbo is for southeast part of Nigeria. These are 3 regions in Nigeria, north, south, and east. So this app for 12 months now, 12 months plus now, it has been in circulation. And the feedback I received is so encouraging, that the app I developed has helped to boost or increase the number of students who opt in to studying science subjects from all over Nigeria. And this is the app. I don't want the video to be long, so I'll be snappy. This is the link to the app for the first timer. Those who have not downloaded the app, with a click, the app will take you to the website, the interface. You look at it. TeacherAdamNda welcomes you. If you have not downloaded the app, with just click download, you have it on your phone. The app is named Chemistry in Your Pocket. Chemistry in Your Pocket. So that with the students we taught 10 years, 20 years back, they are not the same students we are teaching today. They have access to using technology, and this is why I use this medium to bring study and learning of chemistry closer to them. Almost every student or their parents uses a smartphone today. So with this app, the learning of chemistry is made easy. This app is a multilingual app. It is a multilingual app. A child may study in English, or choose to study in Hausa language, or choose to study in Yoruba or Igbo language. This is the interface. This is the how do you call it? This is the website outlook. Look at it. Then, if you have not downloaded the app, with a click, it will be downloaded on your phone. I have it already, so I don't need to download again. If you click the app, this is how it looks like. This is the interface. Teacher TeacherAdamNda welcomes you, your chemistry teacher. This app, briefly, I don't want this video to be long. This app have features. You have down here home, topics, charts, progress, and about. Let's take it one after the other. Like I've said, it's a multilingual app. You can see with a click here. If you click to study in English, everything will be displayed in English. As it is, everything here is displayed in English. If I change the language to Hausa now, you'll see what will happen. Everything I've changed from English to Hausa. If I change it to Igbo, everything I've changed to Igbo language. If I change it to Yoruba language, everything I've changed to Yoruba. So, briefly, let's go back to English first. Another thing, if you look at this, you have topics, you have quizzes, you have a progress report, you have classes covered, SS1, SS2, SS3. This app also have quizzes at the end of every topic. Students may decide to take a quiz to test his or her understanding of the topic. So if I click start learning now, it will take me to topics straight. But if I click topic, it will take me to this place where, if I like, I can choose to see SS2 topics or SS3 topics. Now come back to SS1 topic. If I click any of the topic now, with a click, you will see this is the first topic, Introduction to Chemistry. Lesson. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies matter, its composition, properties, and changes, and meaning like that continuously. The most important and very interesting aspect of this app is that it uses a very simple English words that even a child of 5 to 7 years can understand without struggling to know what it actually means. Another thing is that this software is also it has provided a space for students to listen to audio or voice explanation of every topic. Look at it. If you want to listen to the voice explanation of this topic now, with a press, read aloud.
Introduction to Chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies matter, its composition, properties, and changes. Meaning, chemistry is the scientific study of matter, properties and transformations, careers,
Now, if I change the language to Hausa now, the same topic, SS1 topic, the same topic, you can see the text have been translated from English to Hausa language. You can see all, you can see. Then, if you want to, if students may decide to just listen to the voice explanations by clicking here.
Gabatarwa ga kimiyya. Kimiyya reshe ne na kimiyya wanda ke nazarin kayan abun da ke ciki, ƙaddarorinsa, da canje-canjensu. Ma'anar kimiyya shine nazarin kimiyya na ƙaddarorin da.
The same thing, if you change to Igbo, let's see, it's loading. It has changed. This is Igbo. Everything has changed to Igbo. The network have not allowed this place to pop out to listen to audio explanation or voice explanation. The same thing to Yoruba. Let's see. It has changed from Igbo to Yoruba. Can we see? Wow, very interesting. Very interesting. The video is getting longer and I don't want it to get longer. Let's go back to English. Back to home. Topic, quizzes. If you take any topic, let's say topic number 2, nature of matter. After studying, it explains key points in the topic and it connects it to real life example. You can see wet clothes drying in sun equals to evaporation. Liquid to gas. Water in freezer equals to freezing. Liquid to solid. Both are changes of state. So all this. Apart from this, after every topic, there is a quiz. A student may decide to take a quiz. With a click, it takes the student straight to studying the quiz, which states has a definite shape and volume. The right answer is solid. If you say submit answer, you can see it has accepted it. And the most important thing again is it will give you explanation of the answer, solid. Solids have definite shape and volume. Then if you say next question again, it gives you another question and on like that. Then after this, apart from this, which other thing? Let's go here, charts. If you press charts, this app also have AI chemistry tutor. With this, you can learn. Students have ability to ask any question in chemistry. But another very powerful beauty aspect of this app is that if you ask a question that is not chemistry, it is either you will be attended to, but you will be told that this is not avenue to ask a question that is not chemistry, or completely it will shun you. Let's ask a question on chemistry and see what is an atom. Wow, see the answer. You can see. If I ask any question now that is not on chemistry, let me say, what is financial accounting? What is financial accounting? See the answer. I'm your chemistry tutor. Ask me anything about chemistry. Financial accounting doesn't seem to fit that topic. Will you like to learn about periodic table, this and that and that? So this is it. Actually, just like it says here, hello, I'm your chemistry in your pocket, CIYP, chemistry in your pocket AI chemistry tutor. I can help you understand chemistry topics for SS1 to 3. Ask me anything from atomic structure to organic chemistry, hydrocarbon to nuclear reaction. Another very sweet part of this app is that even in Hausa language, if you ask any question, if you want to ask a student who is studying in Hausa language, may decide to ask any question in Hausa language or Yoruba or Igbo, you just change the language and you go to AI, then you type menene chemistry. Chemistry in Hausa language is kimia, but let me see whether it will give me the answer. Good. Can you see? Chemistry ta wannan dalilin yake. You can see the answer. You can see the answer. So, irrespective of any language a child is using, he or she may use the AI chemistry tutor to ask any question, and wherever or whatever he or she finds difficult to understand. This is also another feature. Let me change to English. This is another feature. This is overall progress. If any topic a student cover, it will be indicated. Any quizzes taken, it will be indicated. Average score, it will be indicated. This is about the app. It gives everything about this app. You can see app owner TeacherAdamNda. So we are still working hard to see what we can do to continue to share this software, this digital tool, so that we will also celebrate having seriously reasonable number of students in Nigeria studying sciences and doing well in their studies. With this, I think I should thank all my colleagues who are helping in spreading this link, so that the link gets to every student that lives in Nigeria, and even students that are Nigerian but live outside Nigeria, so that together the study of science will not longer be seen as something difficult, because the language barrier has been removed now. At least the study of science will be seen as something, and it's already in our feedback that the number of students who are studying science is now in Nigeria have multiplied by more than 250%. This is the joy I received having done this sacrifice. With this, I say to all of you, may God bless our students and may God bless our teachers. Thank you very much. Goodbye.